Today I want to give you my top 6 things that I recommend when you leave your kids at home while you go on a trip. Hey guys, welcome to Traventures, your #1 source for family travel information. It can be a little scary to leave your kids at home, and I know there's all sorts of fun little things that you can do for your kids, but the 6 that I want to focus on today are the things that actually bring me peace of mind while I'm gone. My #1 most important tip for how to leave your kids at home is to leave them with a trusted guardian. Whether that is your parents or a friend or relative, leave them with someone who you know can take care of them almost as well as you can. This will give you so much peace of mind while you are gone. My #2 tip is that no matter where you're going, try to make sure that you have Wi-Fi. Even if you're on a cruise, for us it was worth it to pony up the $100 so that we could video chat with our kids on our cruise. It was fun to show them our cruise ship, it was fun to show them what we were doing, and just being able to touch base with them and actually see their face and talk to them face to face was 100% worth it. So wherever you go, make sure that you can get access to some Wi-Fi and just be able to give your kids a call throughout the course of your vacation. My #3 tip, and this one is kind of expensive and does require a little bit of forethought, but I recommend it just for daily life in general, have some sort of a home security system. It has been, on our last trip, it was so nice to be able to just check our cameras and see what the kids were doing, keep tabs on them throughout the day, and that just gave us a lot of peace of mind that they were fine, they were being taken care of, and we didn't need to worry about it. My #4 tip is to leave detailed instructions for your guardian. So if your kids have a very specific routine, or even if they don't have much of a routine at all, you'd be surprised how much you do day in, day out that you don't really think about, that your guardian is not gonna have any idea about. So what time do you take them to school? What time do you pick them up? When do they go down for naps? Do you give them something special with their milk? Do you leave their bottle in the crib with them? I don't, but some people do. You are the only person who knows your kids as well as you do, and so having detailed instructions will help your caregiver give them the care that they need. My #5 tip is to leave permission forms with your guardian. And what I mean by permission forms is have something signed in writing that says that you give your guardian the ability to act on your behalf while you are in vacation. Have those dates specified, so from this day to this day, I give guardian the permission to act on my behalf, especially in regards to medical matters. So if your kid gets sick, they can take them to the doctor's office and they have something signed that says, I am speaking on behalf of the legal guardians of this child. That also helps with school functions. If a permission form needs to be signed, there is something documenting that the guardian has the ability to do that for that child. And then my #6 peace of mind tip for if you're going out of town and your kids are staying behind is to have a signed document, whether it is a will or just a piece of paper with your signature and date on it, that stipulates who will have guardianship over your children if by some tragic accident you were to die. This just gives you the peace of mind that if something horrible does happen to you, you know that you have done what you can to take care of your kids for after that tragic event occurs. So thank you so much for watching. Those are my 6 tips for how to leave your kids at home while you go on vacation and how to have the peace of mind while you do it. If you want to see one of our most recent adventures where we left home without the kids, you can check out our vlog, Taylor Tadpoles. We post all sorts of fun videos there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome time on your next couples trip. Peace.